Why, hello, YouTube. I'm Joshua Dufferina. Um, I'm gonna talk to you guys that GT should have told about Strut not returning GT's belongings in Turbo Dog's episode Return to Lender. Um, it's not GT's fault that his safety mirror fell off. GT was about to fix his safety mirror. However, Strut interrupted and asked GT if he can borrow GT's belongings. Okay, excuse me. And GT forgot to tell about Strut not returning GT's belongings. I made a video discussing that I got real with about Strut and GT. Few hours ago, whatever, that's like yesterday or a few hours ago, I made a video of me being real with about Strut and GT. So this time it's about me talking about GT forgot to tell about Strut not returning GT's belongings. And I want you people to know that, okay? And it's GT's fault for borrowing Strut's steering wheel. And did not want the race time to be moved. Strut wanted to come back to the race so bad. And did not need to tell GT no race for you today. GT should have told all about Strut in Return to Lender episode of Turbo Dogs. And why didn't stay with the Turbo Dogs standing next to Dash's car? And why didn't just find out that Strut did not return things he's borrowed? Cam found out that Strut was not good at returning things he's borrowed from GT and his friends and all that. Should have told Strut to return GT's belongings and Dash Stinkbert GT. No, sorry, Dash Stinkbert Clutch Mags and Dash's belongings. What? Cam found out Strut did not return belongings. Why not Just let me know what you think in the comments below. Of course, we need Return to Lender to be a remake of Turbo Dogs. But, however, Cubo Channel is now obsolete. And the channel's obsolete, so I don't think they're going to be making any more Turbo Dogs episodes. Found out that Strut and Stinkbert stole GT's statue in Lucky Charm episode of Turbo Dogs. Found out that Strut and Stinkbert stole GT's statue. Why didn't find out that Strut stole GT's belongings? Strut was borrowing them and forgot to return it back to GT. It is not GT's fault that his safety mirror fell off. GT should have fixed the mirror until Strut came by if he can borrow more GT things. And Strut did not remember everything. GT's right, Strut. That's no excuse to not remember everything about giving anyone's stuff back. Just let me know what you think in the comments section. Bye.